Debnath Art Hub.
Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a fish bowl. So let's start to draw a fish jar or a fish bowl. So let's start to draw. At first we will draw the bowl, which is the made by glass. Yes, like that, transparent glass. Now we will draw the cute small fish. Yeah, like that. The fish is happy. So always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. This is our colors: cyan color, sky blue color, dark yellow color, orange color, green color. At first we are using the cyan color. Yes, like that. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.